Welcome back, Kelly family. I know it's been a minute since I've recorded a video, about 2 weeks. First I was sick, and now I've been just getting ready for you guys. So when you guys come over and get your nails done, getting the website ready, getting the workspace ready in the home, just a lot to do, and it's so exciting. But let's get into today's topic. So today we're going to be talking about what is the best nail polish for beginners. And we're going to be looking at 4 different polishes. Here I have the DC, or some people know it as a D&D nail polish. I also have Not Polish, which is a very known brand, and also the Valentino Beauty Pure. Also, guys, I will be also talking about the Model 1s, which you can get it on Amazon, and it is linked in my Amazon storefront. And me and hubby are both sick, so if you hear him sleeping in the background, don't mind. And if you hear that I sound a little bit congested and nasally, my bad. So all 3 of these are red gel polishes. And their specifications are on the bottle, as you can see. All of them are soak off gel, and the D&D DCs and the not polish are duos. So it comes with the matching regular polish set. Now, they're not all the same shade of red, and that's okay because I'm not here to talk about the different shades of red, but I am here to talk about just how easy it is to paint on, the qualities of the nail polish, and just to give you my thoughts. So as you could see, the red that I have on my hand is the not polish red that's here. Okay, and if you want to know the number, I pointed at it. It's right there for you guys to see. This is such a beautiful color too, guys. I wanted to show you the Valentino number. This is 004. You can get it on their website. And y'all, I found a hack. So if you Google Valentino Beauty Pure discount codes, you can get people's 10% to 20% off. And you put it in the discount code bar before you check out, and you get a deal. The Model 1s, this is the red Model 1s polish. It came in my Model 1 set, which is also linked in my Amazon storefront. Guys, go press the link. Press the link to my Amazon storefront. It's always in my bio. It's always in the description box. It's always, you're going to find it everywhere because that is where I list all of the things that I have bought from Amazon. And I'm going to be updating it soon as well. Okay, look at the consistency of that Model 1s. It's super thick. It's super bright. And it does not match the red little dot on the top that tells you what's the color. That little red sticker on top is much darker than the actual red polish in the bottle. So this is the Model 1's red. Look at how pigmented this red is. This is a very rich, deep, pigmented red. And as I am brushing it on, you can see that one coat looks really thick. It doesn't look thin. You can't really see through it. It's not really transparent. Which is also good. The bottles are pretty small, so I would expect for it to be pigmented because then I would be able to use less product on myself or on a client. And that can save you money. The less coats you have to do, the less polish you have to purchase. So with the Model 1s, although it is little, you do need very little. And a little goes a very long way with the Model 1's polish. Next up, we have the D&D DC Red. Look at that. It is a bit runnier than the Model 1s. So I can tell that this is going to be a little bit more transparent than the Model 1s. So let's see. So this is easy to paint on. It is much thinner than the Model 1 brand. And this is most likely something that you might want to do use two coats with. Now, if you use one coat, it's still really cute. It's really cute with one coat, but it's not as pigmented as the Model 1s. Some clients or you yourself might be like, you know what? I might need to, because as you can see, like you can see through the tip of the nail. You see how you see through it? Like it's almost like a jelly, but it's not. But it still has really great coverage. So compare it. Compared to the Model 1s, you can see, first of all, I didn't put top coat on any of these nails. So they are both very, very shiny. And this is why I chose these brands, because these are the brands that I feel like I like the most out of the different brands that I've tried. So I'm just comparing the brands that I like the most so you guys can see what to look for when you're looking for your nail polishes that you like. You want to look for a polish that is either pigmented so you can spend less money, you can use less product. You want to use a product that is versatile, like this D&D DC. It is very versatile, and you can either double coat it, and it's a solid, nice red, or you can put like a foil underneath it and use one coat, and the foil underneath, you're gonna be able to see it through that red, which I've done, and I'll probably show you that in a short. Now, another reason why I recommend these brands is affordability, right? As someone who's starting off, you want to be able to afford new products or afford quality products, but on a budget too. Why not? Why not save a little bit of money, right? So the Model 1s, they're like $20, but they come with like 20 something of them, and the bottles are small, but I've had these bottles literally for like almost a year now. And I've been using them on myself only, but now I'm starting to use them on clients. And that goes to show you that they go such a long way. And I'm a person who constantly has my nails done. Like I have my nails done every week. Now I'm not using the Model 1s for, tips or extendos or things like that. I might use it for like nail art. So we talked about the price of the Model 1s, which is a box that comes in the 20s. The D&D DC, very affordable. You get the duo pack for about $8, okay? So not only do you get the gel polish, but then you get the regular polish to match the gel polish for like $8 at your local beauty supply store. And that's in New York City. Your local beauty supply store price might range, okay? Now, also, the Not Polished brand, the cost at my local beauty supply is $10. The cost online is a little bit more. They range from $10 to $15. And the Valentino Beauty Pure, they also range anywhere from like $11 to $15. But again, always Google a discount for Valentino Beauty Pure and it'll come up cheaper. Now look at this, Not Polished red. It is thinner than the D&D DC. And to be honest, when I painted this on the nail, it did have a tacky layer prior to me putting top coat on it. But after you put top coat, I used my Valentino, I believe, top coat, non-wipe. Then it was cool. The D&D DC also has that tacky layer once you cure it. The Model 1s does not. So you don't need to wipe it. It doesn't have that tacky film when you cure it. The Valentino Beauty Pure does. So the only one out of these four that does not have that tacky layer when you cure it is the Model 1s. Okay? So just so you know, so you're aware, don't like try to touch it in the middle just to see if it's dry, because I did that and then I ended up leaving a fingerprint. So try to touch the edges. Now for the grand finale, the Valentino Beauty Pure. This is one coat. It is very pigmented, much like the Model 1s. Super pigmented. Only needed one coat for it to be super solid. And yeah, definitely a great buy, a great brand. Easy to paint on. I love the not polish and the Valentino Beauty Pure brushes that come in the polish bottle. If you notice, the brushes, very high quality brushes. They're smaller, and they're easier to use and to paint on. So I'm going to be using my Winstonia nail art brush to show you guys how easy it is to use these to do nail art as well. So we're going to start off with the Model 1s. Well, actually, I lied. We're not going to start off with the Model 1s. We're going to start off with the D&D. And let's see how that goes. So, disclaimer, it is very easy to use all four of these brands to do nail art. Now, obviously, some of these nail polishes are going to be a little bit more runnier than the other ones, but I just wanted to show you and give you an idea that they are very easy to use for nail art on a nail art brush. They all have really good consistency to be evenly applied utilizing a nail art brush. It's all in the brush that you have, okay? So one of the top nail art brush is Winstonia. You could definitely purchase it in the Amazon storefront. So if you feel like your designs are not popping, they're not coming to life, they're not looking like they're supposed to look, it's because you need to upgrade your brush. It happened to me, and that's what I had to do in order to like up my game with my nail art. So I hope you enjoyed my advice and my input. These are the top affordable quality brands that I would use as a beginner. And they're very easy to use. You can find a bunch of colors and very popular brands. Like, comment, and subscribe.